Hey, Anna. How was your first day at office?
Oh, John, it was a big day. My first day at a big company, Technova.
Tell me everything. Start from the morning.
Okay, in the morning, I woke up early.
Early? How early?
6. I wanted to be ready.
6? That is early.
Yes, I was nervous.
Nervous? Afraid?
Not afraid, just my first day. My heart was fast.
So what did you do first?
I looked in the mirror. I said, "Okay, Anna, you can do this."
Talking to yourself?
Yes, I had to. I wanted to feel strong.
And clothes? What did you wear?
A white shirt and dark blue pants.
Office clothes?
Yes, but simple, not too formal.
Then you left home.
Yes. I took my bag and walked to the train.
Train? Like subway?
Yes, the train to the city.
How did you feel on the train?
I looked at the big buildings. I thought, Technova.
You kept saying the name?
Yes, I wanted to be ready.
So when you arrived,
I saw the building. It was so big.
big building?
Yes, glass and lights. Very modern.
And the name, Technova.
Yes, the name was on the wall. Technova.
How did you feel then?
My hands were cold, but I said, "Let's go." At Technova.
So, Anna, what happened when you arrived at Technova?
I walked into the lobby. It was big with glass and lights.
Lobby? You mean the front hall?
Yes, the front hall of the company.
Did someone meet you there?
Yes, a woman came to me. She said, "Hi, you must be Anna. Please sign here."
Sign here? Like, write your name?
Yes, write my name on a paper.
Ah, so you signed a form.
Exactly. I signed a form.
Who was the woman?
Her name is Amelia. She works in HR.
HR? What does HR mean?
HR means human resources, the people who take care of workers.
Ah, people who take care of workers. Got it. And what did Amelia do after you signed?
She smiled and said, "Let me show you around."
Show you around?
Yes, she took me to see the meeting room, the coffee machine, and my desk.
So she gave you a tour.
Yes, a small tour of the office.
Did she say anything about your job?
She said, "Today you just learned the company process."
So after the tour, what happened at your desk?
At my desk, I met another intern. His name is Ethan. Intern means student worker, a short job for learning.
So, internship is a short job for learning.
Yes, internship equals short job for learning.
And what was Ethan like?
He was friendly. He said, "Hi, I'm Ethan. Nice to meet you."
Good. So you made a friend.
Yes, we talked a little.
What did he say about the company?
He said, Technova has a strong hierarchy. He helped me set up my email. I logged in with my username and password and sent a test email.
So, you sent your first email at Technova.
Yes, and there is a deadline tomorrow.
So, Anna, in the afternoon, what did you do?
I went to the break room. Amelia was there.
Did she give you more work?
No, she said today is only for setting up.
Setting up.
Yes, prepare my desk, check the computer, and be ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow, real tasks.
That makes sense. What else did Amelia say?
She mentioned a rumor.
Rumor.
Rumor means people say something, but maybe not true. They say Michael will change things when he comes back.
So, Anna, that was your first day. How do you feel now?
I feel tired, but proud. I prepared my desk, set up my email, learned new words, but I also feel pressure. Technova is big, modern, serious. I hope I can stay after the internship, but I don't know.
Well, you finished day 1. Good start.
Yes, one day done. Tomorrow, the real test.